Welcome guys, so this is how I download font in CapCut and use font in CapCut. Let's dive in. So you want to add font. Now if you want to add font first, you need to add the text. So I click on add text and then click here now. Then let me write famous now, for example, famous beats. So now if I want to change the font now, I will go to this place now. I'll go to under here on my right hand, so I can change this font to this one. All these one are the one that I've already downloaded already. So this is, you can see this is before, this is the font that I turn it to now. So this one, I've already downloaded this font already on my system. So if you want to do the same too as well, there's this oblong regular. This oblong regular font. I'll go, if I want to download any font now, I'll go under Chrome now. I'll go under Chrome, then you search for this website, the font, or there are many websites you can download font from. So you search for the font, and if you search it, allow it to load finish. Let me search for it again. So it's loading. So you can see. So this is the logo. This is the font.com. So I'll put the link on the description so you can also download it to start downloading fonts that you want to use. So there are different fonts now. Let's say I want to download this particular font here, or let me say this one here. So because probably I like this font and I want to use it for my video. So I'll come here, I'll click download. So when I click download, it's going to download it for me. So it's loading just because of network, so I have to be patient, let this build finish. So I'm waiting for it to load, and here you can see I have started downloading it. So you can see I've already downloaded it already. So I'll go under compressed. So vanilla. So you can see, let me look for it. This is the name of the font, vanilla pancake. So I'll go under where I downloaded it now. This is vanilla pancake. So if you want to install it on your system, so that it's going to appear on CapCut. On the CapCut, you're just going to right click it. When you see true font, you can right click it. And you see install here. And I'm going to install it, and it's going to automatically install on your PC. Let me click this one and install this one again. I think they're both the same thing. So you can see they are already installed already. So for now, I'll tell you the next step to do, so you can be able to see it on the CapCut. So let me look for another font to download now. This is Crush Me. Okay, let me talk about this non-min script. I'm going to download this one as well. So let's leave it to load. So you can see start downloading. So let's allow it to download finish. This one is still downloading. Let's wait. So it's already downloaded already. This is it here. So I already know the folder where it's downloaded to. I'll extract it. And you can see it here. Then I'll right click it and install it. Let me check what is inside here. So I just finish this file. So now if you go, I've already installed the font already. Let me check the name so that I can search. I'll check if I'll see it here. Vanilla Pancake. Let me check vanilla. Let me check if I'll see it. In order for you to see the font, you are off your CapCut. You're going to turn it off and on it back. So it's going to refresh. It's going to refresh the font for you, and you can be able to see it. Without that, you might not be able to see the font that you downloaded or that you installed. You might not be able to see it now until you restart your CapCut. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to cut everything now. I'll start the CapCut all over again. So I've clicked on it already. I'm waiting for it to load. So I'll go back to the recent project that I'm working on. Release it to, let me now search for it. Vanilla. Let me check the name of the font again. Vanilla Pancake. See it here now, Vanilla Pancake. So I've seen it already. Famous beats, you can see it's already here. So let me look for the second font that I downloaded. So the name of the second font is non-main. Let me look for it here again. Non-main script. Non-main, it starts from N, so it will be under N. So this is the font now. The name, I see the font non-main script. So you can see the name here. Non-main script. See it, non-main script. So you can see all the fonts that, let's say you want to download any fonts at all, you can keep on searching. You can search for different style. They are different and they are free. They are free to use, and then you can use any font at all. So thank you guys for watching. So this is how to download and use fonts in CapCut, and I also show you the website to download the font. So thank you guys for watching. So do not forget to like, comment, and share this particular video to your loved ones. Thank you guys. Peace.